The birds are chirping, and nature's out to play.
And I want to play too. We're about to play some hide and seek in the park.
Ready or not, here I come.
I'm not ready.
Oh my God, are you okay?
No. I think I hurt my leg. At least nature's really pretty today.
He's up and he's fine again. He's running around. It wasn't even his leg, it was his arm. He loves nature.
Let's make this place look really pretty. This branch is mine.
Stay.
Nature's pretty as it is. You just gotta look into it, man. You can't interfere. Just ruin it that way. Well, kids, at the end of the day, nature really is the ultimate power. It's indifferent to man, and man cannot control it, no matter how much they want to. Nature is beautiful, and it really takes something special to appreciate just how magnificent it really is.